Okay, the Bearcat being flown by
Danny Booth Adams.
Danny Booth Adams. He's tucked in behind Kenny Bones with the Corsair. We've got a Sky Raider just gone up the front there with another Bearcat. And a Supermarine Spitfire in the desert colourings, 1942-43. The Sky Raider on your left hand side, flown, designed, built and flown by Rick Stevens. Used, I think, in the Vietnam War, if I remember rightly. Korea, sorry. 1954, coming round now from the right hand side. There we come. The Sky Raider. In the navy colours, as they all are.